So, having done a couple of videos on the XTZL 3D refill spools, I got curious. I bought an Elegoo refill, mainly because I needed a top item on Amazon to get the free shipping, and of course it's purple, which we all know is the best colour. So I thought I'd try that. Oh. And no, not without somehow getting this cardboard liner out and this insert through the middle. That's not going to fit. But then I went digging, because ages ago I bought some of the original Sunlu Master spools. Now, I haven't seen the refills for these for quite a while, but I think they didn't have a cardboard inner. It was just like this, but with no cardboard. And instead of these single-use straps, they came with Velcro ties. So what you could do is, if you had more refills than you had spools, you could run the ties through and around the filament on the spool, tie the actual refill up, undo the spool and swap it for another one, which was a brilliant idea. So I dug these out and blew the dust off of them, and I thought, okay, I'll try that. And it drops on there, but unfortunately doesn't close far enough to lock. So I can confirm that the old Sunlu Master spools won't fit an Elegoo refill. Not that I expect that Elegoo advertises they do. And unfortunately it's the same with these XTZL 3D refills. They're just slightly too wide, so the spool won't actually snap back together. But that's no biggie. This is how we learn things. So for now, unfortunately, the old Sunlu Master spools aren't a lot of use to me. But then I got to thinking, because I've got some new Sunlu filament that has come on reusable spools. And I've noticed some of it comes on these spools, but there's no inner, and others have this card inner. So then I got to thinking, I wonder if, because you got the movement of the card, you could still get straps around it like you could with the old style. So of course from there the brain ticks over, and do not try this at home, it's probably going to go really badly wrong. I managed to get a couple of zip ties through, under the cardboard, back up and out the other side. So we are now going to see if you can get away with tying up a refill on one of these new spools and removing it. Or am I going to spend the rest of the night trying to coax wayward filament onto a new spool? Place your bets now. I best take the clip off. So, what do we reckon? Is it going to go everywhere, or am I going to get away with it? Because if I can get it off like this, I think I can get the straps back round it. Okay, here we go. Oh, where is it? No. Drum roll, please. Oh, it's stuck. I know, you come to my channel for really smooth content. On the plus side, I do generally not swear, which, if you know me in real life, is a huge shock. Right, what? Come on. Okay, what's going on? Am I doing it wrong? That would not be the Biggest surprise in the world. Ah, no. Which way do you go? I'll break it in a minute. Come on. Okay. To avoid 20 minutes of people watching me struggle with this, I'm going to pause. If I can get it apart without breaking it, I'll come back to you. And I'm back. Okay, so I figured it out. These cable ties were too thick, so it was snagging on the edge of this window as I was turning the spool. So I've dug out some more subtle cable ties, and now, oh, brace, oh, here we go, and off it comes. I'm going to be a bit careful with this because I really don't want to trash it. Believe it or not, I've got better things to do with my time than spend all evening trying to rewind this. So, good job I saved these Velcro ties. There we go. Now that shouldn't wander off while I'm mucking about. Okay, so now we have our spool, and this is the new style Sunloo reusable spool. And does that manage with the Alagoo refills? Good question. Doesn't? I don't know. Ooh, bit of brute force maybe. Yep. Okay. So with a bit of brute force, you can put an Alagoo refill on a new style Sunloo reusable spool. Bet you're glad you watched now. Okay, so I'm going to rattle my brain about a bit and see if I can scheme a better way of tying these up. But for now, yeah, the XT-ZL3D refills need to go on their spools. It'd be nice to get a universal setup, but it still beats throwing dozens of plastic spools in the bin. And I don't like cardboard spools, they're a nightmare. They either fall apart, or if you've got a smart dryer that reads the temperatures, it gets lost because it's reading the temperature of the card. So you're drying cardboard because the cardboard absorbs damp while it's out in fresh air. Okay, so there you go. If you're mad enough to try this, yes, you can get a partially used spool taken apart without chucking it everywhere. And I won't film the bit where I try and reuse it. Thanks for watching.